Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mark an email as important on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the email or letter button down below in the on the left side corner of the screen, and then select the letter that you would like to mark as important. So select the letter and click on the star icon next to it on the right side of the screen. As you click on this menu icon in the upper left corner, you will find a starred category. That's the third option. Click on it, and here you will have the letter in this category, so that whenever you receive an email from this person, you will be able to find the letter here. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.